If you've always wanted to learn how to convert a normal YouTube channel into a brand channel, this is definitely your video. You might be wondering, what are the benefits of converting a normal channel into a brand channel? The benefits include the following. Number one, you'll be able to add managers to your channel. Those that will be able to manage your channel. Change one or two things, do this and that, edit your videos, add some features, create video playlists, add tags to your videos and the like. Then secondly, it'll be easier for you to transfer ownership from one Google address to another Google address. If let's say you have two Google addresses, you want to change the ownership from Google address A to Google address B, you'll definitely be able to do. Now let's go practical so that I show you how to do that. So this is my channel, and I'll need to go to YouTube Studio for me to be able to access the settings. So I click the profile tab here, and then when this pops up, I click YouTube Studio. When you get here, make sure that you get to this panel and then click settings. And then what you do is you click channel. From here you click advanced settings, then you scroll down to the bottom and then click manage YouTube account. And then from here you need to click where it reads view advanced settings. Boom. When you come here, you simply click move channel to a brand account. Then you'll be prompted to punch in your password. All you have to do is you punch it in and everything will be automatically moved to a brand account. So that's how you have to go about it. If this video has helped you in one way or the other, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with some person who might need it. I'll catch you in the next one.